What's up, guys? I didn't notice you there. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to enhance the look of your Z, or any other car of that matter, using these bulbs. Let's get started. So, a little backstory. Recently, I just noticed that one of my license plate bulbs that went out, and if you're anything like me that doesn't really have that much mechanic experience, the first thing that came to my mind was, how the hell am I going to fix that? So, with some research, I found out how to do it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it too. So without further ado, here we go. Now for this, you're going to need three things, okay? You're going to need these LED bulbs. Alright, you can find these at AutoZone, Pep Boys, eBay, Amazon. You can find these anywhere. These are LEDs. So one thing that I noticed about my car is that they have halogen bulbs. They look ugly. LEDs is the way to go. You're also going to need a working pair of hands, alright? And lastly, obviously, you're going to need a car. So once we had those three things ready, you get going. So starting off at the rear of the car, to access the license plate bulbs, there's these two little bulbs over here, right under the bumper. And if you notice, there's a tab on each side. All you have to do is grab onto that tab, pull it, and then yank it out. Wow, these are dirty, man. What the hell? Last one. There we go. Okay. Please note that the right side is going to be shorter than the left side. These are very dirty right now. I'm about to clean them right now, so stay tuned. Now that you cleaned somewhat of the license plate bulbs, what you want to do is get access to the bulb itself. You grab this casing right here and this right here, and you turn it to the left. That will unlock it. You pull out like that. There you see the bulb itself. You grab the bulb, take it out. This is garbage now because it doesn't work. You grab a new bulb, you align it right where it was. These are positive and negatives, so just put the bulb in, slide that in there, and that's it. Now before you put everything back together, you have to make sure that it actually turns on. So if it doesn't turn on, all that means is that the bulb, you put it in the wrong way. So if you put it in the wrong way, all you gotta do is take it back out, turn it like about 180 degrees, then put it back in, and it should work. Alright, so let's make sure it works. Didn't work. As you notice, I put it on the wrong way, so it didn't turn on. I'm gonna go ahead, grab the bulb again, turn it around again, put it back in. Okay, and that should work now. Let's try again. See? Everything good. Now these are LED bulbs, so they should look a lot better than the halogen bulbs that the car came with. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Now that you have this one in, you go ahead, you align this big plastic piece with the big hole that's here. You align it, you put it in, turn to the right, and it should lock. Now it won't go anywhere. So let's do the same thing for the next one. Grab that piece, turn to the left, pull out. There's your old bulb. Pull the bulb out. That's garbage now. Put the brand new one in. And line it in there. And now we check. And now we're good to go. So again, like I said for the previous one, you want to line the big piece, the big space right here, with the big piece over here. That lets you know that's where it aligns. Alright, you go ahead, you align. It's gonna be a little tight over here because it's a smaller space. If you want, what you could do is you can remove the connector and you can actually work with the housing itself, so it could be a little easier for you. But I'm not gonna do all that now. Just go ahead and align. Put that in there. Turn to the right. It's locked in. Now all you have to do basically is plug these units back in. What you want to start is on this side right here. Don't go in the space using this right here. You won't go in correctly. So you have to do it by this side, okay? So what you want to do is push this up. Start with that tab first, and then push up, and that's it. It's in. Do the same thing for this one. Start with this right here, not with this. You align it, and push the tab. There you go. And now you're done. Let's see if they work. Alright guys, that concludes the install. I'm going to show a clip of how it looks like at night, so you guys can see the whole concept of how it looks at night and see how the bulbs look. As you can see, the new bulbs are a major improvement over the old bulbs. I hate halogen lights. It makes the car look plain. LED is the way to go. The LED lights costed about like 12 bucks. And the install itself was about 5 minutes. I'm a beginner, so if I could do it in 5 minutes, anybody could do it. So if you like what you see here, smash that like button. Consider subscribing for more Z content and other car content. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.